I found it, the ultimate effective strategy for earning in day trading. You don't need a huge deposit or any complex specialized knowledge to use it. Watch the video till the end and I'll show you in detail how to make over $5,000 in just 15 minutes. Hey everyone, it's Tess here. These past few weeks have been my most successful trading sessions ever, all thanks to the smart strategy I discovered, and now I want to share it with my subscribers. The first step is super easy and totally free. Just click the link in the description of this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel about binary options trading. I've been trading for over 6 years, focusing on binary options for the last 2 years because it's the simplest and the fastest way to earn up to $25,000 a month. My support is especially helpful for beginners, as I clearly and simply explain different strategies and indicators on my channel, including how to navigate the Pocket Option platform interface. But the best part, you can follow my signals, enter trades with me and make average $600 per session, almost risk-free, with my 90% win rate. I'll prove it in live session that I'm about to do. But join our channel now using the first link in the description or in the pinned comment. Now let's get ready to trade. So we'll log into the Pocket Option platform and set things up. First off, we choose a 30-second candle time frame and the trade duration will be 1 minute. Let's pass over to indicators, our super helpers in technical analysis of the chart. Today we'll use Alligator and RSI. Watch till the end to learn about the setup and advantages of these indicators. Now we're geared up like the best trader strategists and we are starting our trading session. Let's go! Swiss franc and yen. The chart has dropped to the support level and buyers are defending this asset price. We predict an upward movement. Bet $5 on an increase. Nice! First profit, our deposit has increased to $9, but this is just the beginning. Now Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Set amount to $9. Meanwhile, on the chart, a downward trend is actively unfolding. Despite a momentary rebound on the green candle, the overall downward movement will continue. We open a lower option. Just a bit more, and excellent! I've just started trading and already made $17. That means my deposit has tripled! But let's not waste time and move on to the third trade pair. Bet $17. Australian and Canadian. Both indicators show the downtrend in its active phase, and all attempts by bulls to reverse the situation are futile. Press lower. Just like that. Guys, I'm right again, and this take brought us $32. It's now obvious that you can start trading on options with any amount and quickly get rich. Back to our first currency pair, Swiss franc and yen. Now we enter in with $33. The chart shows a strong upward trend, but the price is close to the resistance level. And the RSI indicators are very close to overbought level, around 70. Therefore, we bet on a decrease. Done? Our deposit has grown to $63. That is, our amount increased 12 times in 5 minutes. How do you like this? Friends, you've already seen how easy and safe it's to get rich with binary options with my help. Imagine how much you could earn in a week and a month if you join our Telegram channel right now. Think how quickly your life will change. Already 7,000 of my subscribers earn from $600 per session just by copying my trades. And I'll support you and help you get the hang of trading. I'll explain everything clearly and simply, and you'll start making a profit in just a few days with minimal initial investment. So go ahead, click the link in the description, subscribe to the channel in Telegram and send me a private message. Alright, let's get back to our successful live session. Here we go! Back to the Canadian dollar and yen. We'll bet $63. The RSI indicators have been below 30 in the oversold zone for a while now, and the green candle's wick is quite long. Seems like the bulls aren't ready to let the price drop lower. We press higher. The RSI did a great job again. I told you this is a great strategy. We've now boosted our deposit to $121, but we're not even thinking of stopping. That's the advantage of binary options. In a 15-20 minute session or 14-19 trades, you hardly get tired. The Australian and Canadian are in a similar situation. RSI indicators are also at the bottom, but the price is barely dropping below 0.9. This means the bulls have been gathering strength and liquidity. We bet up and wait for the surge. And there it is! What a fantastic result! We're making profit. Splendid! Our balance is now $233. All subscribers trading with me are making real profits every day. Those who are afraid to try are losing out on money they could be earning. I recommend joining right now. It's completely free. The link is in the video description. Here we go. Now the Canadian dollar and yen. Here the situation has turned differently. Apparently, the bulls lack the resources to take the initiative, so there is a high likelihood the price will go down. I'll take a risk and open a lower option for $233. Experience often helps to see the nuances. We got richer by $447 from just $5. That's a pretty decent amount. Next up, the Swiss franc and yen. Switch pairs as you like, as there are no strict rules. Okay, the chart is in a flat or sideways trend, meaning it's moving within a small price range. We're about in the middle now, but I think there will be an upward movement. We bet. Wow! That was close, but we made it. Sometimes the chart goes against many indicators. We've already got $858 and it's time to earn more. Here is a question for you. Would earning $2,000 per session be enough for you or not? What amount do you consider acceptable? Write your comments under this video and let the Hunger Games begin in the comments. Luck is on our side today and I want to do a few more trades. Now let's jump to the Australian-Canadian pair. We'll enter the trade with $858. The chart has dropped even lower, crossing the RSI value of 30. This means it's time for a bounce back. We're investing in an increase. Just like that. We earned $1,648 in 10 minutes. We made them legally, sitting at home in front of the computer in a comfy chair. It doesn't get any easier than this. The Canadian dollar and yen continue to roll downward. These minor rebounds show the weakness of the buyers. We choose a lower option. Superb! We increased the noticed $5 500 times and now we have $2,568 in our account. Shall we try to increase it by 1,000? Let's go! The Swiss franc yen. Alligator indicates it's an upward trend and the candles are trying to break through resistance. Hit up. An incredible move. And we raised $1,920 from a single trade. Now we have $3,488. These are the amounts already being earned by subscribers of my Telegram channel. Want the same? Welcome! The link is under the video. The Australian and Canadian. The bulls are again trying to turn the situation around, but the price will go down again. Both the chart and our indicators signal this. Yes, we go in short. And by the way, let me tell you about our indicators. Alligator. This indicator is designed to determine the trend and consists of 3 moving averages. If the moving averages are directed downward and the blue line is on top, it's a downtrend. If the green line is on top and the averages are directed upward, then you are looking at an upward trend. RSI. This indicator compares the rate of price increases and decreases over a period. It helps identify who is stronger in the market at the moment. If buyers, then the asset will be in the zone above 70. Overbought, meaning the likelihood of selling in the near future is very high. If sellers are stronger, then the asset will be in the zone below 30. Oversold, and a mass purchase is coming. Together, these indicators provide a comprehensive and broad view of what's happening on the chart, helping to analyze it faster. Our account balance has reached $4,408. This means we are close to increasing our initial $5 by 1,000 times. Let's do this. Now the Canadian dollar and yen. They are trying to turn the situation around again, but they hit the resistance level. The price will fall again. So we press down. And this leads us to success. And we've increased our deposit by 1,000 times to $5,328 from a mere $5 in 15 minutes. I'm so happy and congratulations to everyone. We traded excellently. Use this amazing and super effective strategy. Remember the opportunities in my Telegram channel. Besides copying my trades for free, I'll clearly and step-by-step show you how to trade binary options, how to use the Pocket Option platform, and even which buttons to press. You can count on my personal support to help you get the hang of trading and start making money in just a few days, even with minimal knowledge.
I can't express how grateful I am to Tessa.
Your work is really helping people.
It might seem daunting, trading, indicators, strategies, but in in reality, it's all pretty simple. I'll personally show you everything. Imagine just following my trades and earning from $600 up to $5,000 per session. I'm super happy to share my experience and knowledge with over 7,000 plus subscribers. It's a huge boost of energy when you receive thousands of messages of gratitude every day, and I'll gladly open up the world of trading for you, guiding and protecting you along all the risky paths, so you can feel real financial freedom and achieve your goals. Just click the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video and send me a personal message. Love to all! Bye bye! See you in my Telegram!